Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of traditional flossing, feeling like it never quite reaches every nook and cranny between your teeth? Or maybe you're someone who finds brushing with a manual toothbrush a bit too basic? Well, I've got something that could change your routine. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 and 4100 Power Toothbrush combo. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review, packed with tips and tricks for better beauty and hygiene. All right, let's get into it. Product overview. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 is all about providing a more effective way to floss. It's designed with a quad stream tip, which shoots out 4 wide streams of water, giving you a thorough clean between your teeth and along your gum line, something that manual flossing just can't do. It also uses pulse wave technology, sending gentle pulses of water to guide you through the process, ensuring you never miss a spot. The 4100 Power Toothbrush, on the other hand, removes up to 7x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. It features the Smart Timer with a quad pacer, which ensures you stick to the dentist's recommended 2-minute brushing time. Plus, the brush is equipped with a pressure sensor to help you avoid brushing too hard, making it perfect for sensitive gums. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been using both of these products for a few weeks now, and the experience has been a game changer. The Sonicare Power Flosser is surprisingly quiet. I expected a loud, splashing mess, but it's whisper quiet, which means I can floss even early in the morning without waking anyone up. Huge win. The water jets feel gentle, but they get deep into the spaces between my teeth, making me feel like my gums are getting the care they deserve. The Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush? It's effective. The design is sleek and comfortable in hand, and I noticed a noticeable difference in my gum health after just a week of use. My teeth feel cleaner, my gums feel healthier, and I love how the 2-minute timer ensures I'm brushing the recommended amount of time without having to think about it. Pros and cons. Let's break it down. Pros. The quad stream technology in the flosser delivers a thorough clean. Pulse wave technology is gentle but effective, guiding you through your flossing routine. The whisper quiet design is a game changer for early mornings or shared bathrooms. The Smart Timer and quad pacer on the toothbrush make sure you brush just the right amount of time. Pressure sensor to protect your gums from harsh brushing. Cons. The Power Flosser does require refilling the water reservoir multiple times for a full clean, especially if you're doing a thorough job on your teeth and gums. The flosser and toothbrush combo does come at a higher price point compared to other options on the market. Value for money. Given the quality and effectiveness of these products, the price is justified. The Sonicare Power Flosser is up to 180% more effective than traditional flossing, and the 4100 Power Toothbrush is 7x more effective than manual brushing. You're investing in a long-term solution for your oral hygiene that's backed by solid technology. If you've been hesitant to make the leap, I'd say this is well worth it for the results you get. Comparisons. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely other electric toothbrushes and water flossers on the market. However, many of them lack the advanced technology in the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000. The quad stream tip and pulse wave technology aren't standard features across the board. Similarly, the 4100 Power Toothbrush stands out in terms of plaque removal and gentle brushing with its pressure sensor. If you're willing to pay a bit more for these unique features, this combo is hard to beat. If not, there are definitely more budget-friendly options that can still clean well, but you may miss out on the added benefits these devices offer. Build quality and longevity. The build quality is solid. Both the flosser and the toothbrush are designed to last. I found the Power Flosser to be durable, and the toothbrush holds a charge well too. With proper care, both should last you a long time. Mid-review call to action. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get these products, the link is in the comments. Customer support. Philips has a great reputation for customer service. If you need help, they're responsive and offer good support for their products. In my experience, getting in touch for questions or troubleshooting has been a breeze. Product alternatives. If you're looking for a more affordable water flosser, you can check out brands like Waterpik or Panasonic, which offer solid options, but they may lack some of the advanced features like quad stream tip or pulse wave technology. Final verdict. So, does the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 and 4100 Power Toothbrush combo live up to the hype? Absolutely. If you're someone who struggles with traditional flossing or wants to level up your brushing routine, these products deliver fantastic results. They're especially great for anyone with sensitive gums or those looking for a more efficient way to clean their teeth. If you're ready to invest in your oral health, this combo is well worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase is in the description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.